my channel, guys. Joy of risk, target one wave. So last week, as per the last week, we have just seen market doing nothing, just a consolidations. Okay, so now let us start with DXY, saying that last week we expect market to consolidate or push up little more and push down, but market stayed in the exactly in the same range where in over this area. Okay, and now there is some more uncertainty going on. Many fundamental news are getting affected. So I do not want to discuss so much right now. So I just want to dive into the market right now and say that in the upcoming weeks, I'll say, because we are not sure about the timeline, because of uncertainty, no technical has been following right now. So right now what we expect is in the upcoming weeks, we expect market to push up. This is what we'll be expecting in the upcoming weeks. Okay, this is what, but maybe it will take 1 or 2 weeks, but this is what we'll be expecting. Maybe next even it will go for next month also. We don't care, but right now we do not have any setup or just nowhere. The volume is very low here. We have to be cautious at this time, and it's better do not take any trades. Okay, and next Euro USD, we expect market to consolidate. That's what did in a smaller time frame. So let us delete this. Right now what we expect is still we expect market to push down. This is what we are expecting before the push up. So this is first move which we'll be expecting right now. Okay, in USD. Now let's go to GBP USD. I was expecting market to queue, but the reaction which market has given after that it started to push up heavily. So we were out here and we were just looking for other trades, but it did not help us. So that's fine. So still what we expect here, we expect market to go consolidate at the smaller stages. Okay, and the push up. But right now we'll be expecting only the down move. Okay, because of us uncertainty which is going on purely, which is now no technical should be used here, as per us. Okay, only fundamentals, which because fundamental will give you the direction, and after that only you should see for technicals and other stuffs. If the fundamental is uncertain, then you should not be using technical at all. So this is purely on fundamental sides. So New Zealand USD, I said market will be moving up in the last week, and that is what market has done. It has started to move up, and it has gone way up. So now what we expect is this can be a new trend that we see, but right now we expect market to consolidate in the downtrend, come down. Okay, so this is what we'll be expecting in the upcoming weeks. I'll say upcoming weeks, not in the next week, but in the upcoming weeks. The same thing goes. I said last week the market will be pushing up and directly. That is what market has done. This was a good trade, and whatever the loss we made in Euro USD and GBP USD we have covered in New Zealand USD and AUD USD. So we are on net profit only, not in losses also. Because we lost 1% over there, and we have taken 4%, which is 448%. So we are in loss with just, profit with 6%. So it is not bad, right? So if you know how to trade, then you can make a lot of money. If 1 or 2 pairs goes in wrong direction, also doesn't care, but other pairs will make you money. That is what we ensure. Okay, so in the upcoming weeks we expect market one more push up is possible, just crawling up like this, and down moves also. This is the wave which we'll be expecting, but this can change maybe in couple of days, or in 1 day even the structure is getting changed. So in that case you should be updated always. So I think you should join our community. This is the time to join our community. So you should stop losing and start making money with us. And USD/JPY, we said market will be crawling and it will be just in this box, and that is what exactly the USD/JPY also is doing. See how the market momentum is going on, and this is not the good thing to buy or sell here. Okay, So still we expect the same thing. There's no change here as per the last week. If you go and see the last week video, we have said about USD JPY that market will be crawling at this level, exactly this zone. So that is what I'm expecting in the upcoming weeks also. Okay. See, I'm just moving fast a little bit because there has no change from last week to this week. There's no momentum. Market has moved literally nowhere. And USDHF, the same case. Market did not move and just crawled in a sine wave direction. So it's better to not to get in trade here. If you are able to do a scalping trade, that's very good. But I'll not recommend holding for the long time. So these trades are still intact, saying that market can push up. So right now what I can feel is you can remove the white line and let me draw it for you. See, I expect one more fall and one more push up. This is what I'll be expecting in the upcoming weeks, not the next week, but in the upcoming weeks. Okay, because of fundamental uncertainty. And gold, I said, because of fundamental uncertainty, gold without seeing anything, that will be pushing up without respecting any technical. And exactly gold did the same thing. Okay, it started from here and it ended exactly in the level which we had mentioned in our private group plus in our YouTube channel, free for you. So I think you can make a lot of money. I'll just show you how you can make money if you have entered at this point also, keeping a stop loss just below this and aiming to this. This is 1:3, 3.5. आराम से मिल जाएगा. Okay. Nifty 50, we were expecting market to fall, but it has gained a little more good momentum, I'll say, because of tariff pass, right? That is what market is doing, and we will see another for next 2 weeks. We'll see a little more momentum here. So right now what I will say is, so this can be in this way right now. This is what I'll be expecting in the upcoming weeks in Nifty 50. And BTC, as I said last week, the market is moving up from this level, exactly this level. It started to move up and it is just crawling, and it has a potential to break this top and this top also. Okay, this is what we are, and still market has not reached our level, so still we are in the same bias. So I think with this we'll conclude this week's. So if you want little more in-depth analysis, what exactly and which pair it will be going, and what about other forex pairs and indices, and whatever trade I will be taking, that trade also. Okay, so will be given in our Discord channels, and plus other forex trades which will be more useful for you. Whenever the major pairs doesn't work, then we'll go for the other forex pairs which will give you additional benefits and additional risk to reward. In that, usually we make minimum 6% a month, and maximum 20-30% also it goes. I'm not lying. Okay, with this I like to conclude this video here, and all the best for your next week. See you next week. Bye.